Hello Pistachios! It's time for our weekly show of Goku Dissection, where I give you the information you need to come to your own conclusions while I work on explaining my own conclusions. We start today's episode at the beginning of Volume 13. Page 33. Goku senses Master Roshi's death. He's not sure what it is he just sensed, but still, he sensed it. That's how connected he is to the ones he loves. Pages 92 and 93. Goku is blinded by his rage once again. He is prepared to jump down Karen Tower and take on King Piccolo after hearing that his master has been killed. Goku's reckless nature shines in this moment, just as it did when Kuririn was killed. Without thinking of the future and without thinking any sense, he is ready to jump into the fight. Page 97. Look at Goku's face. This is the face of serious and pure determination. Goku is ready to try the wondrous water of heaven. Page 99. Goku is not immune to fear. The expression he has in panel 2 of this page shows that he is nervous about drinking this water. Page 159. Goku's sass is back. When Goku knows he's in the lead of a fight, he gets sassy. I love that sass. I want that sass to stay there forever. I love him so much. Page 167. Even with the previous mention of sass, Goku is still taking this fight very serious. This is a fight for revenge to defeat Piccolo for killing his friend and master. Page 176. Goku asks Piccolo to fight at his strongest. This could be interpreted several different ways. This could be seen as Goku's recklessness taking over as he enjoys the fight, or it could be a tactical move as he wouldn't want to waste his energy on an opponent that was reserving his power. It could also be that Goku wants to fight Piccolo at his best so as to drag his pride through the mud. I personally believe that this is a tactical move where Goku doesn't want to waste his energy. Now we're moving on to Volume 14. Page 19. Goku says the line, "This fight won't end until one of us is in pieces." This fight is a serious moment for him. This is a fight to the death. He's been ready to accept death since he heard that Kami Sennin was killed. That's why he drank the water. That's why he was ready to jump earlier. This is a fight to the end. Page 40. Goku expresses worry for his friend who just saved his life, asking if Ten is okay. Page 51. Goku decides to do whatever Piccolo Daimyo says in order to protect Ten. This is an important point for Goku's character as it shows that there's much more to him than just wanting strong fights. When his friends are in immediate danger, he protects them. Page 69. Goku is sobbing here. All of his emotions were put into that one punch and now they are flowing out of him. This was a very important and very emotional battle for Goku's character. Vengeance is a very important motivator for Goku. Page 80. Goku's expression here in the first panel. Goku is heartbroken and torn apart beyond belief that he is unable to bring his friends back to life. He loves them more than anything else. Page 81. Goku's expression quickly changes. His emotions are easily manipulated by hope. Page 86. Yet again, Goku coming up with the plans. Goku figures out to go to the old crone to find his Nyobo and is willing to fight whoever the old crone wants to send out. Page 93. More of Goku's reckless nature. For better or worse, he doesn't think nor care of the possible consequences of his actions and how they could harm him. He just lives in the present and keeps moving forward. Page 99. Yet another flaw of Goku's. He is too full of himself. He acted like this earlier too, when he treated fighting Baba's 5 champions like it was no big deal. Page 101. Goku, stop being so full of yourself, you fool! Page 109. Goku shows some humility. It took some beating up, but he's finally learned his lesson that there will always be someone stronger than him. He likely feels dumb because he was taught this lesson earlier with Jackie Chun. Goku can't seem to help himself. He always thinks himself as the best when he beats the strongest being that he faces. Page 149. Goku shows that he's determined to fight Piccolo. He's been training for 3 years for this fight and he's ready for it. Page 150. Goku is no fool. He knows that reminding the people of Piccolo would start a panic, so he's keeping it hush-hush from everyone. Pages 163 and 164. Goku remembers Tao Pai Pai and takes his previous opponent seriously. He's afraid to see him back from the dead, even though he was certain he had killed him. Page 168. Goku is excited to fight Piccolo Jr. in this shot. His smirk betrays that about him. Onward to the start of the fight at Volume 15. Page 47. Goku doesn't understand what it means to ask for your hand, but that's not him being an idiot. That's an honest mistake. No one had told him before what that meant. Also, Goku keeps his promises. He made a promise to Chi-Chi that they'd get married, and he's going to keep that promise no matter what that means. Page 74. Goku shows genuine concern for his friends in this moment. Page 77. Goku shows genuine love for his friends in this moment. He supports Kuririn in this moment and shows his excitement of how far he has come. Page 80. Goku shows his perception in this moment. Page 95. Here is where Goku figured out who Shin was. It took seeing how Shin taught for Goku to connect the dots, and that shows his critical thinking skills. Yes, I'm still on that because I'm very salty, I'm sorry. Page 105. Here is Goku's final confirmation of Shin being Kami. It proves that that previous moment was when he first figured it out, as he says, just like I thought. Page 107. Goku is about to enter a match for fun. You can tell from his expression that this is just a fun experience that Goku is looking forward to. Page 133. Goku shows his playfulness when taking off Ten's belt. He really is enjoying this fight. Page 163. Goku has shown through this fight that he is subconsciously observant and perceptive. Page 164. Chi-Chi takes notice that Goku's grown up, and Goku takes pride in that. And that's it for Volume 15. Onward to Volume 16. Page 8. Goku's expression here tells us how serious this fight is to him. Page 26. Goku's expressions and his attitude towards Piccolo in this moment show how much he cares for Kami. Page 47. Goku shows his playful nature even in the face of a serious fight/situation. Page 58. Goku shows that he cares about everyone more than just having a good fight. He prioritizes telling everyone to get somewhere safe. Pages 65 and 66. Goku cares more about everyone else than he does about winning the match. Page 91. Goku plays by the rules of the tournament even when faced with a deadly situation. This tells us that Goku is a stubborn character who wants to win the tournament fair and square, as he puts it. Pages 120 and 121. Goku takes his tournament matches seriously. The rules state he gets no help, so he refuses to accept help from anybody. This is a little selfish of him, to be honest. He's more worried about winning the tournament than he is about the fate of the world. But then again, it seems to be more reckless, doesn't it? He's so sure that he can win that he's risking everyone's lives. Yeah, much more reckless than selfish, though I can see how some would see it as selfish. Page 196. Goku takes Kami's life very seriously. To avoid having to watch Kami die, Goku is willing to put the rest of the world in his hands. He refuses to let someone he cares about die. Page 197. Goku's playful nature is shown in his smile and how he teases Kami about lying. All the same, this is once again a moment that highlights Goku's critical thinking skills. Yes, I am still salty about that. He figured out that the Dragon Balls would be made useless if Kami were to die all on his own without prompting from anyone else. Page 202. This is the first and only sign of Goku wanting Piccolo to stay alive as a rival, and it's an afterthought to the primary reason of not wanting to see Kami dead. This proves that Goku is not 100% without selfish desire, but at the same time he is not a selfish character. At least, not at this point in the series. Page 204. Here Goku refuses the job of becoming a god because it's too boring for him. This tells us that the next 5 years of time with Chi-Chi is time that he enjoys, otherwise he would have left and gone out on adventures. That's it for Volume 16 and the rest of Goku's youth. What have we learned today? We've learned that Kairyu will forever be salty about the "Goku has no critical thinking skills" comment she once received, as it's proven enough times throughout this first season of the Goku Dissection that Goku does indeed have critical thinking skills. We've also learned that once Goku grew into a teenager, he started to act more towards his selfish desires while still not being a totally selfish character. This makes sense given his age. Most teenagers are incredibly selfish. Sorry to all you teenagers out there, I know some of you aren't. It's not a fact, just an observation. Anyways, today and this season, we've noticed Goku has a problem of acting too recklessly, especially when revenge is on the line. That's it for this week and this season. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more of this series. Be on the lookout for any streams involving working on the dissection if you want to have your opinion and your voice heard, or if you want to discuss previous episodes. I'd like to give a special shout out to my patrons at the end of this season for being super awesome and supporting me throughout this whole series. Until we meet again for Season 2, bye bye.